This is ANN News Brief.
A report from the Central African Republic says at least 37 persons have been killed during an attack in the northern town of Ndeli. The report also says 3 rebel groups stormed a main market and that they attacked other parts of the town and set up a base in a Catholic church. United Nations peacekeepers and another militia which previously controlled Ndeli could not repel the attackers. Numerous rebel groups have been operating in the CAR since President Francois Bozize was overthrown 7 years ago. The World Health Organization says it is worried by the significant number of coronavirus cases being spread in communities in West African countries. WHO regional head Matshidiso Moeti said on Thursday some countries are seeing a rise in cases spread in communities. Moeti did not mention the countries. She also said decisions to impose or remove restrictions could be extremely challenging. She said when a government decides not to lock down a city, it needs to be aware that there would be consequences in terms of the spread of the virus. On Tuesday, the government of Senegal, which has recorded 933 COVID-19 cases since the outbreak and 9 deaths as of Thursday, said 1 case of community infection in the Casamance region of the country contaminated 25 other persons. The government has declared a state of emergency, closed schools and issued restrictions on gatherings and travel, but cases have continued to rise. President Macky Sall says he's taking more coercive measures.
Whether in your house, at your office, on your phone or online, we are there. We have the facts behind the headlines. We cut to the chase with the news you really need. We cover every angle. We are the bigger, better news network. We are African News Network. ANN. Watch ANN News on MITV from a truly African spirit.
The Democratic Republic of the Congo has confirmed first four cases of coronavirus in a prison in the city capital, Kinshasa. Majority of COVID-19 cases in the DRC are concentrated in Kinshasa. At least 4 inmates have tested positive in Ndolo prison and many more quarantined. The facility is overcrowded, hosting inmates at nearly 4 times its capacity. Authorities say health officials have been dispatched to the prison to investigate the outbreak. Human rights organizations are concerned the virus could easily spread among prisoners and to the relatives who visit them. The rights groups are asking for the release of inmates accused of or convicted of petty crimes to ease overcrowding. That is ANN News Brief at 10. For details on these and other breaking stories, visit our website, annafrica.news. Conversation continues on our social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at ANN Africa TV. I'm Lucy Adeyemi.